हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम केबी डॉक्टर शर्मा यादव। दिस इज बच्चों की विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। In previous class, we also discussed about the nature of central tendency. We discussed the central tendency divided in two parts: mathematical average and positional average. Mathematical average also qualified the mean, arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean further divided in simple, weighted, and compound. And second is the positional average of central tendency. Positional average or positional measurement of central tendency also divided in two parts. That means mean and median and modes are measure the positional value of central tendency. Apart from mean and median and modes are the two common use measure of central tendency. The median is sometimes referred to as a measure of location, as it tells us where data are. Median. Median is the value which occupies the middle position when all the observations are arranged in ascending or descending order. It divides the frequency distribution exactly in two shares, that means two parts. 50% of observation in individual have a score at below the median. Hence, the median is the 50th percentile. Median is also known as positional average. It is easy to calculate the mean. If the number of observations are odd, then n plus 1 divided by 2 observations in the order of set is the median. When the total number of observations are even, it is given by the mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Advantage of median: it is easy to compute, and second, it is not distorted by outlier or skewed data, and third, it is determined by ratio, interval, and ordinal scales. Disadvantage of median: it does not take into account the precise value of each observation and hence does not use all the information available in the data. Second disadvantage of median is, unlike mean, median is not admirable to further mathematical calculation and hence it is not used to many statistical tests. Third, it will pull the observation of two groups. Median of pooled group cannot be expressed in terms of individual medians of pooled groups. Second, mode. Mode Mode is defined as the value that occur most frequently in the data. Some data sets do not have a mode because each value occurs only once. On the other hand, some data set can have more than one mode. This happens when the data set has two or more values of equal frequency, which is greater part of other value. Mode is rarely used as a summary of statistics except to describe a binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, the Taylor peak is called the major mode and shorter one is the minor mode. Advantage of modes. It is the only measure of center tendency that can be used for data measure in a nominal scale. It can be calculated easily, and disadvantage of mode is it is not used in statistical analysis as it is not algebraically defined, and fluctuation in the frequency of observations is more when the sample size is small. Thank you.